Assalamualaikum everyone. Today I have a video class with on English. Today I am going to teach you singular plural. Already I taught you singular plural. Once again we are going to revise. What do you mean? First I will tell you what are nouns. What are nouns? Nouns are naming words. That is name of a person, place, animal, things are called nouns. So nouns which are in single in one we call it as singular. Okay, I will take one noun. Dog or kite. So if a noun is in single, we call it as singular. What we call singular. If a noun is more than one, if a noun is one, it is singular. If a noun is more than one, dog is one. Now I am writing here dogs. Dogs is more than, that is dogs with more than one. So we call the thing that is the nouns which are more than one, we call them as plural. Is it clear? Dog, singular, dogs, plural. Now kite. Kite is single, one. So it is a singular. Now I have written kites. So it is more than one, it is plural. One is singular, more than one is plural. So in order to make a noun, in order to make a noun, either it is a name, place, animal, thing, whatever it is, in order to make it into plural, what we are doing? We are adding s. So in what case we have to add only s? In some cases we have to add es, ies, ves. We are going to study those when we have to add s and es, ies and ves. So first what are noun? Single is, that is one is singular, more than one is plural. So some of the nouns by adding s. S. I will be taking few words now. So some nouns for which we will add s to make it a plural. By adding s. Now I have written already dog. So what we are adding to make it a plural? S. Kite. S. Cat. S. House. House. So in order to make it a plural, we add only s. So these are some of the nouns for which we add s to make it into plural. Just it is better, children, you keep one book and note down this. So whenever you are having any doubts, you can refer this. Is it clear? Now some words that ends with, for words that ends with s, x, sh, ch, double s, o. So the words that ends with s, x, sh, ch, ss, o, for these words what we do? We add, what we do? We add es to make it a plural. To make it plural. Is it clear? So the words that are ending with s, x, sh, ch, ss, o. For these words, which are what we do, we add es to make it a plural. Now tell me one word with which is ending with s. I will take bus. So this is a single bus. Now in order to make it a plural, what I will do? I will be adding bus, es. The words which are ending with s, we have to add es to make it a plural. X, fox, 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 es. Is it clear? Now sh. D-I-S-H. Dish. D-I-S-H-E-S. So word ending with S. X. S-H. C-H. B-E-N-C-H. E-S. Now word ending with S-S. Class. C-L-A-S-S-E-S. Class. So these are the words ending with S, X, C, H, S, H, C, H, S, S. Ending with these words, for these words which are ending with S, we have to add ES to make it plural. Is it clear? Now if you want, one more word with O I will take. O I have not taken. I will write here. Tomato. Yes. So I have written the word ending with S, X, SH, CH, double S, O. So remember, whenever a word is ending with these, we have to add ES to make it a plural. Is it clear? It is better you note down in one book and you can revise whenever you are having any doubt. That is the reason I am repeating it again. I have already explained you in the previous videos. So these are plural by adding S. These are for words that ends with S, plural by adding ES. Now for words that ends with Y, words that ends with Y. We have to remove Y. What we have to do? We have to remove Y. For the words that ends with Y, we have to remove Y and add I-E-S. What we are going to add? I-E-S. We have to add I-E-S to make it plural. Is it clear? Now examples for these words. Words which are ending with Y. Tell me few words which are ending with Y. B-A, B-Y. This is ending with Y. So when a word is ending with Y, what we have to do? We have to remove the Y. So what I am doing, you see. I am not writing Y here. What I have to do? In place of Y, to make it plural, I have to add I-E-S. Is it clear? Now one more example. City. Whatever words you come across, the words which are ending with Y. Remember, you have to always add, remove IES when you are changing it into plural, and in place of Y you have to add IES. And still you can give some examples. L-A-D-I-E-S. So these are few examples. Is it clear? Again, these are also examples. So remember these three things. These are simple as, for the words which are ending with S, X, SH, CH, double S, O, you have to add ES to make it a plural. And for the words that ends with Y, we have to remove Y and add IES to make it a plural. And one more thing I will show you. For some words, I am erasing this. For words that ends with V. Sorry, ends with F. Words that are ending with F. We have to remove F and add VES to make it plural. Make it plural. Is it clear? For words that ends with F, we have to remove F and add VES to make it plural. Example: LEAF, leaf. Leaf is singular. To make it into plural, what we have to do? What they are telling, we have to, in place of F, what we have to do? We have to remove F. So LEA, in place of F, remove F, and we have to add VES to make it a plural. Then wife. WIVES. Here it is ending with FE. F and FE2 you can write. Words ending with F, FE. Is it clear? LIFE, life. LIVES. So these are some of the examples for the words ending with F and FE. We have to add VES to make it into plural. So is it clear, children? These are some of the words which we have to remember. It is better if you note down this in your book. Is it clear? So words ending with simple S, words ending with ES, plural, words ending with IES, and the words ending with VES. Hope you all have understood, children. Thank you.